Look at the care of Thawban and the companions of the Prophet ﷺ. When they heard that there is some sinful activities are committed and could destroy good deeds, he inquired further. Teach me more. Tell me more about these deeds so that I can avoid them. Learn, my brothers and sisters in Islam. When you know that there is something wrong, learn about it so that you can avoid it. I mentioned earlier that if we can apply this hadith on today's time, there would be no secretive acts committed behind closed doors except one. And because of youngsters here, I don't want to mention the word, but it is inappropriate imagery on the internet that are freely distributed, that today neuroscience are telling us that it can destroy your very structure of your brain, that it can destroy relationships, that can destroy your growth. Sheikh Ali was talking about being successful in every aspect of your existence. How could we be successful if the very brain, if the very mind is spoiled completely by some imagery? And subhanallah al-azim, one of the main objectives of the Sharia, of the deen of Allah, is to protect our mind. Because that's the one thing that makes you different than other creation. The one thing that Allah had given you and make you different and make you unique above all other creation. That's why Allah in one ayah of the Quran mentioned, وَلَقَدْ ذَرَأْنَا لِجَهَنَّمَ كَثِيرًا مِنَ الْجِنِّ وَالْإِنسِ. We have created for hellfire a lot among the jinn and human beings. Why is that so? لَهُمْ قُلُوبٌ لَا يَفْقَهُونَ بِهَا. They were given the gifts of intellect. They were giving the hearts the navigation system that leads them to Jannah, yet they have chosen to go to the wrong direction. They have been given the eyes, they can see the signs of Allah. They bury dead diseases every day, yet they didn't pay heed. They have been given the gift of hearing ability. They hear the reminders every Jum'ah, yet they don't act upon the knowledge. Allah said what at the end? أُولَٰئِكَ كَالْأَنْعَامِ بَلْ هُمْ أَضَلُّ أُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْغَافِلُونَ. These people are like livestock, like cattle. No, they are even worse. وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ. أُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْغَافِلُونَ. These are the heedless people. Be careful and let us wake up as an ummah. If you fix and work on your individuality, on your growth as an individual, you will be impactful in the community. And this is the ultimate goal.